Traveling as a family started a long time ago. We kind of both grew up in this outdoor environment, and so we wanted to institute and push that into our kids at a younger age.
We're the Picketts, and this is the Beyond Land road trip.
Ash is the little adventurer, where Story is the quieter, likes flowers and seashells and stuff like that. I mean, they're totally different.
Nellie, my wife, is a rock. She's the greatest.
I would have to say the most memorable experience here in North Carolina has been seeing the kids react to the ocean on the Outer Banks. So to see the dunes, you could hear the waves crashing and the kids just like scrambling through the dunes to get down to the water.
Asher, our son, really loves planes, so it was really cool to see him in that moment of history with his own little airplane.
Jockey Ridge in Nag's Head was really amazing. We hang glided there. It was pretty cool to see how the kids reacted, especially Asher. You know, from living out west for so long, you kind of forget how beautiful these kinds of mountains are, you know. I mean, the dense growth in the forest it's pretty wild.
Waterfall.
You don't get to see that type of forest, you know, typically out west. It's really dry, and it's been really, really beautiful. You know, and the kids love bombing around the woods and on the trails.
That's so fast.
I always used to say, it's not an adventure until you hit a dirt road. You gotta have a dirt road in there somewhere. A road trip to me, I think it's exploration. It's not knowing what's coming next. It's exploring new places, kind of going into the unknown and, you know, reacting to it.
It's beautiful here. There's so many trees, and the beach was amazing.